Hey there, beauties. If you're new here, then welcome. If you're not so new, then welcome back. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a new to me product. It is the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I'll be using this to create a minimalistic makeup feel using mostly drugstore products. Spoiler alert, I've used this product 2 times and I hated it. But I'm making some changes today that I think will fix the things about it that I didn't like. So we will see if I can pull off a presentable makeup look using the Maybelline Fit Me. Okay, so first let's talk about the claims of this product. Like, I had never even heard of this, and I saw it at Walmart and just impulsively on the spot decided to try it. I love like natural, sheer coverage foundation, so I thought this would be perfect. It is a tinted moisturizer with 76% natural ingredients in the shade. I was supposed to have aloe as well, and I'm in the shade 355. So the claims for this product are it's supposed to have a natural look, a fresh feel, buildable coverage, and 12 hours of hydration. So what I did not like about this is that I don't know if it was the first time I used it with a primer, and it felt so tacky, and it just did not blend well, which shocked me given that it is a tinted moisturizer. So the second time I skipped the primer, and I had just done my layers of skincare, and I went to put it on, still the same thing. So this time I'm just going to do things slightly different and see if I could get it to blend nicely so that I could actually work with this product. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with the Tatcha Water Cream. This is a really nice moisturizer. It's called a water cream, and that's exactly what it feels like. It's very thin, and that's why I thought it would be good to try it with this product. It absorbs nicely. It's very much overpriced, but since I have it, I'm going to use it. Okay, so I've moisturized, and now I am going to prime again. I don't remember what I used before, but it wasn't this. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I love, love, love this stuff. It makes foundation go on like a dream. And so if I can't work with the Fit Me with this, then it's got to go. And like the Smashbox just goes on. It's got like a velvety, silicone-y feel, which doesn't bother me. If you don't like that silicone feel, then you probably wouldn't like the Smashbox, but it works for me. Let's see if it works today. So now, the star of the show. I do feel like this shade is a little bit too dark for me. I could definitely pull it off in the summertime on parts of my face, but yeah, we'll see. So, okay, so I think I'm going to try blending it in with my hands on one side and then using the brush on the other side to see if that makes a difference. So here we go. Okay. Alright, I'm already feeling better about it. Maybe I should have just been using my hands the whole time. I don't know. Like when I tried this before, I literally felt like it was getting stuck. Like it looked terrible. Alright, so I'm going in with the brush just to blend. I am a brush girl. I don't like using my hands that much because I don't like to get them dirty, but here we are. And if you see me looking off to the side, I'm obviously looking in the mirror. Okay, now I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. So this is obviously the fresh face side, and this is the Fit Me side. I feel like it's a subtle difference, but definitely a difference. So now I'm going to try my normal application. I pretty much always use a brush, and so I'm just going to dab a little bit more on there. And I'm sorry if you hear my daughter singing in the background. Her preschool graduation is today, and that's actually what I am getting ready for. So, yeah. Shout out to Paris. Okay, so not bad. I feel like I like this side better. This is where I use my fingers to apply, but it's not bad. Just for the heck of it, I am going to go in with another layer just to test out that buildable coverage claim. I might regret this. We'll see. So I'm using the same techniques on each side. Okay. I do feel like it's getting like a little tacky right there. So I'm going to blend that with my brush. I feel like I use so much less product when I use my fingers. I guess brushes and sponges just kind of soak things up so much more. And so I'm going to use this right here to do the other side. Apologize, I've been a little bit hoarse lately, not sure why. I don't have allergies, or at least I usually don't, but I've been hoarse like for the last day or so. Okay, I don't hate it anymore. I could totally do a no makeup look with this. I think I'm going to go in next with a setting powder. So for my setting powder, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. This is a shade 30. See, I told you, this is like almost all drugstore. This would be a great everyday look. Like, I'm so much more into skincare than I am makeup, but I do enjoy makeup. I love the difference that it makes, and it just makes me feel more put together. And I have combination skin, normal to combination. I used to be very, very oily, but since I've gotten older, thank goodness that has balanced out. But I do find that using a good finishing powder, translucent powder, whatever you want to call it, it kind of takes some of that shine away and just makes me feel more, I don't know, put together, just more, I don't know, less shiny. So next, I'll be going in with the Maxi blush from Rimmel in the shade Rendezvous. I've been trying to go in a little bit higher with my brush because I feel like it lifts the face. I do the cheekbones, above the eyebrow, the tip of the nose, because I feel like it's more realistic if you don't just have that little flush of color in just one place. So I almost forgot this step right here. The two times before when I used the Fit Me, I found that it just looked awful, and I had to go in and try to balance it out with something else. I don't necessarily feel like I have to do that, but I'm going to. I'm going in now with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. I'm just going to use this to brighten up the eye area. And the only reason I feel the need to do this most days, my face is not the same color all over. So it's not like I try to like conceal that. I actually try to accentuate. So the parts that, are a little lighter, I use something a little lighter. The parts I want to contour, of course, I use something darker. And it just works nicely. And while I should be switching up my brushes, I'm doing what I do from day to day. Like, I literally, most days, take 60 seconds to do my makeup. 60 seconds, I'm not joking. So I'm used to just using one brush to do everything. I use it like this to do my powder. I use it like this for blush, even though I usually don't wear blush. I just squeeze it together to do the smaller areas. So maybe if you're new to makeup, or you're a minimalist, or you're just trying new things and you don't have a gazillion makeup brushes, like you can make it work with one. Okay, my next step, I'm going in with like probably my least favorite mascara, the Tarte Maneater. The reason I am doing this is because I'm literally going to come home and wash this crap off of my face as soon as we get from the graduation. I don't feel like scrubbing. Like I said, this is my least favorite. I don't feel like it does very much, like, but it'll do something. So here we go. Okay, so my last step is the lips. I cannot find my favorite lip liner, so I'm just going to use a hack that I use quite often. I love the Anastasia gloss, but I'm not trying to, you know, look like I'm trying, because I'm really not. So what I'm going to do is just dab a little bit of this gloss on. Now I'm going to go over top of that with the Anastasia, this shimmery, let me see what shade this is. This is Black Cherry, and it's lip gloss. It's got a glossy finish, and I don't know what the heck this is because there's no sticker on it, but I'll call it Shimmery Pink Prosecco. Oh my gosh. I feel like I could wear this around the house by itself, but I just kind of felt like it was kind of too light for me to just wear alone. So that's why I like to go in with my darker base. Okay, so for my final thoughts for this, I would give it, I don't know, like 2.75 stars, and here's why. You can work with it, but it takes work. I like something that I could use by itself, with my layers of skincare, with a primer. I want something that's versatile. I don't want to have to cater to it. It needs to cater to me. I was just looking in the mirror a little closer up because I can't see that well like in this situation. But I just feel like splotches around my cheeks, and I'm not feeling it. I would not recommend this product. I will probably end up giving this away. It might work really well for somebody else. I don't know if it's my skin type or what, but it just did not work for me. So this was a flop, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean, that looks awful. Okay. I'm so sad. I had high hopes for this, but if you guys have a good tinted moisturizer that you recommend, drugstore or high-end, like, let me know. Like, it's getting time to be my favorite time of the year, summer, and, you know, I'm ready to try some new things. So, yeah. Yeah, guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see me and my sis Tiff break down all things beauty. If you have a foundation or a tinted moisturizer that you would like for me to try out and review so you don't have to spend your money, do let me know in the comments. I'm happy to try new things, all in the name of beauty and sisterhood. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, mwah.